Established in 2020, Rudy Agri-Tactic manufactures hammer machines, hammer mills, ideal for mahango pounding, maize mills, sorghum, and animal feed processing. The dehula, a machine that removes the hulls from dry or wet mahango or maize seed before it goes for final pounding, is one of the modern machines being showcased at the showgrounds by Rudy Agri-Tactic. The sales manager at Rudy Agri-Tactic highlighted that the machinery makes farming very simple and easier, noting the machines are locally produced where over 70 workers are employed.
Behind me, then you see mango processing machines like hammer mill and a thresher. Directly from threshing mango from the mango field, and then you put it in a hammer mill, you get your pulp, should I say. So it actually makes we change from the traditional way to the machinery. Usually the mango has been stamped with sticks and stuff, but now you can just put it in the machine, and then in 2 or 3 minutes you already have your porridge ready, and then you can cook and eat. And then all these machines behind me are manufactured locally. We're actually a locally manufacturing company. So we don't import anything, we do it here, should I say. So Namibians are very skilled people, as you see.
The machines, mostly operated from electricity or petrol, gives farmers various options through the production chain. Friedel Eichep highlighted that they have won awards for the best agricultural initiative at the Windhoek Show and at the just ended Ongwediva Trade Fair.
We have sold a lot of machines already, as we are speaking. So the challenges at Skowgrounds, I will never say we have a chance because I never have experienced any such. So I will rather talk about success story and say that we have really sold enough machines already, and we have a lot of inquiries. We have done a lot of quotations. We have done a lot of updates and stuff. And so, we won actually 2 awards. We won the gold award in the outside stall, and then we won the best agriculture award in out of 12 companies. That is at Skowgrounds. So we went actually out of 12 guys. So, and actually it's our second award. We even also won the award in Ongwediva Trade Fair, the same award, the best agriculture.
With these accolades, they have improved their sales and signed additional deals.